walking. Here she goes. Are you going walking? Here she goes. There's Lily. You doing some walking around the house? Oops, that's on the other side. There she is. Lily doing some walking. She's a big girl now. She walks. Yeah. She knows how to walk all by herself now. 17 months old, knows how to walk. Very good, Pumpkin. Can you walk and drink your milk at the same time? Yeah, you're good at walking and drinking your milk at the same time. Can you say hi to everybody? Say hi. You gonna do some more walking? Okay, let's see you do some more walking. Here she goes. Good job. And there she goes. Bye-bye.